Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrapbook Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 74th Technique Tuesday. So, if you don't know already, we are actually on a cruise right now.
Cruise.
So we're coming to you from the
Cruise ship? No?
No, we're coming to what is it? Coming to you from the past.
Ooh. Ooh.
So we are going to be playing around with a very, very simple technique. Simple, but also not simple technique today. We are going to be playing around with our stitched circle thin cuts here. And we are going to be showing you a really awesome technique. So let's go check it out.
Okay, so today we're going to show you a fun little trick to use when using our thin cuts. We're going to be using our stitched circle thin cuts. And I have here a 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 piece of cardstock that is from our I Heart Us paper pack. For this particular demonstration, I'm going to be using the 2 1/4 circle from the stitched thin cuts. Okay, so now we are going to put the thin cut and our piece of paper through the Cuttlebug. So I'm going to get the Cuttlebug ready. And you want to make sure that you place your thin cut in the middle of your paper that you have. And I'm going to use some washi tape to hold that in place securely. This way it won't slip when I put it on the plate. And because this has a very specific design, I want to make sure when you're doing yours that when you cut it, when you put it through the Cuttlebug, that the way you want your flap to open is the way you place your paper. So if I placed it like this on here, it would only cut halfway and the flap would have to go down. So I want it to go side to side, so I'm moving my pattern off to the side like that. And what I'm doing now is I am placing the thin cut on the plate, and half of it's going to be on the plate and half of it's off. As you can see right now, half of it's on and half of it's off the plate. So that when it goes through the Cuttlebug, only the part that is on the plate will be cut. And here we go. I'm going to take the washi tape off. I'm going to move my Cuttlebug. And I'm going to take the thin cut off. And then what you're going to do is you just fold that over so that you have a little decoration to put on a card or on your scrapbooking page. And then you could back it with whatever cardstock you like. And I'm sure we'll be showing you something to do with this on Throw It Together Thursday.
And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about our circle thin cut half circles, let us know. You can bend them the way that Mama showed, but you can also, if you want, flip it the other way too. So they are very versatile. And remember, since she wanted the design this way, the paper is going the correct way, but if you wanted to do a circle like this, you could also do that. So it's however you want your design to be. Remember to watch the way you cut it on that. But remember, they could go either way. So yay! We will be using these in our next Throw It Together Thursday. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I guess we'll see you next Tuesday when we are off our cruise ship and nice and tan and in snow.
Yeah. And we still have spots left for our weekend. If you're interested, let us know. We'd love to have you.
Yes. See you next Tuesday. Bye.
Bye. What are we doing?
And that's Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, questions?
If you have any questions.
It's like you with circle.
Oh, croissants. I like croissants. If you have any croissants, send them my way.
I deal with this on a week. cruise. Help.